I want to give a big shout out to my co-founders at Business Toolkit, Gallant Dill, AKA Cousin G, and Chase Klein. Hey, what this platform does for small businesses is insane. This company's going to blow up, and I promise you folks, it's going to blow up fast, and that's coming from a guy that moves fast. This company allows you to send proposals, collect signatures, and receive payments from clients for your products and services in literally microseconds. And guess what? It's 100% free, okay? Hey, well done, guys. Look forward to doing some master big stuff with you. The thing I like most about this is the immediately cancel of Stripe, PayPal, or other complicated merchant processing software. Look, once you got Business Toolkit, you got what you need. You understand? Every business can win with this platform. So hit the sign up link. Look forward to doing some big things with you guys. And by the way, you guys that are watching this, you get this free. Hit the link.